So I bought one of those drip irrigation kits to do the wife's garden here. And it comes, in black coil, all wadded up, that pipe. You cut the bands and it doesn't even really move, right? You need to straighten it out. Looked on some forums, some YouTube videos, all kinds of really interesting ideas. One guy uses a come along, which that just seems stupid. Another guy uses hot water, which, yeah, I don't really want to disassemble all my pipes for my dryer because they're all corroded and they're going to bust if I mess with them or hook it to the hot water tank. But I thought, you know what, he's onto something with the hot water. So here it is, laying in the front yard. You can see I don't have it held anything, no clamps or anything. So I unrolled it, put something heavy on this end, put something heavy on the other end, left it in the sun, came home from work and took the weights off, and guess what? It's straight. Or, 90% straight. So then when I put it in the garden, in a few spots where I'll bend it, I'll put a brick or something, and then when it sits in the sun again, it'll stay in that shape. When it cools down, it should be good to go. So like all my videos, short and sweet. Hope it helps.